Hello guys, welcome to my review channel. Today I'm going to review the soundbar Soundcore Infini Pro by Anker. Watch my previous video if you want to look at the unboxing and the overview. This is a review with audio samples and playback. Now coming to the soundbar, as I've mentioned earlier, 5 buttons are there and 6 indicator lights. If you just tap on the power button, it turns on, and to power off you have to hold the power button for a few seconds. Now coming to the indicators, LED indicators, you have HDMI, TV, auxiliary input and Bluetooth, and one is sound and surround. Now when you press the sound button, it comes in 3 colors. When it's in movie mode, it's in white. When you press the music mode, it changes to green, and when it's in voice mode, it changes to deep blue. So you can make out like which mode it is in without changing it. And when you turn off the surround or the Dolby Atmos effects or the Dolby DTS effects, whichever is supported, the surround sound or the LED will turn off. Now when you press the volume up and down button, it blinks, and like a LED indicator, it shows at what percentage the volume is at. Now here when I press the power button, it turns off. Now I'm going to connect my phone via Bluetooth. This is the first time I'm doing it. So as you can see, the moment it's in Bluetooth mode, you can see the name pop up in the Bluetooth devices, and just tap it, it connects, and it connects with a single beeping noise. And when you unpair, it makes 2 beeping noise, so you can easily see if it's connected or not. Now I'm going to play some audio samples via Bluetooth. By the way, the phone is Bluetooth version 4.2, but the soundbar supports Bluetooth version 5.0. Make sure to wear headphones. The surround effect is on. As you can, I've turned off the surround sound, and the volume and the effect increases. which you can make out the difference. Now we're going to check out all the ports and connections that are given in the back. The good thing is it has got HDMI in, which has 4K pass-through as well as Dolby Vision support. So that means if you have a smart TV box like Mi Box or Fire TV Stick and you don't have extra HDMI ports in your TV, you can connect it over here and connect another HDMI through the HDMI ARC out to the TV, and that's how you can directly connect any multimedia box. Now I've connected the soundbar to my TV via HDMI cable. Company recommends to use the provided HDMI cable to get the best sound performance. You can always use optical input or auxiliary input as well, but the company does not recommend to connect to the TV via Bluetooth, as there will be 1 to 2 seconds of audio delay. So now over here I have connected to the HDMI out ARC port. And connected the other end to the HDMI ARC on your TV. And make sure your TV has one HDMI ARC, otherwise sound will not be able to come through it. Now it's currently in Bluetooth mode. As you can see, the light is blinking. Now I've pressed the TV mode. It automatically detects which connection it's put in, and it automatically connects with the TV. As you can see, when I'm pressing the soundbar's remote, you can see Infini Pro showing up in the volume bar. Now I'm going to play almost 15 minutes of audio, copyright audio from YouTube, and you can listen to all the different genres.
Flowers by Tokyo Music Walker. Over You by Atch. A Magical Journey Through Space by Leonell Cassio. Pixel Pig by D. Young. Free Range by Mona Wonderlick. The Clock Instrumental by RYYZN. First Light by Atch. Summer Vibes by Mike Lee. Mitsubachi by Smith the Mister. Overthinking Instrumental by RYYZN. Underground Stars by Loxbeats. Fallen Kingdom by SilentCrafter. Fly Away by Rexlambo. You and I by Soyb and Amine Maxwell.
Yeah.
Intención by Sapajou. Riviera by Smith the Mister. Inspire by Ashutosh. Clocks by Smith the Mister. Nouvelle Lune by On. Fluffy by Smith the Mister. Cali by Waterboy. Soaring by Ghost Drifter Official. by Smith the Mister. Found You by Atch. Morning Station by Tokyo Music Walker. Superstar Instrumental by RYYZN. Sleepless Nights by RYYZN. Travel by J-Gen and Tubacker. Malakan by Soyb and Amine Maxwell. Puzzle by RYYZN. Oral Nights by Music by Aiden. Nightfall by RYYZN. Fragments by Arrowhead. When I Was a Boy by Tokyo Music Walker. Vacaciones by Mike Lee. Summertime by Tokyo Music Walker. Late to Rise by Your Friend Ghost. Swing Rabbit Swing by Amaria. Jetfire by Jeff 2. Time Out by Atch. Woho I Thought It'd Be Me and You, feat. Lily Hain by Leonell Cassio. Let Go by Tubacker. Dystopia by Luke Hall. Journey by Atch. Gonna Sing by Payrouse. Eden by Onyx. Awakening by Rexlambo. Papaya by Tubacker. Far Away by Sarah Jansen. Freedom by Roa.
It feels like it belongs to someone else. That sure represents a lot of things to a lot of people. Symbols are nothing without the women and men that give them meaning.
So, what are we? Heroes or allies? Can we be both? You're a hero. So this thing only works for me because